Hello? Hello? Who are you? And what are you doing in my class?
The noun, epithets, honorific, moniker to annotate my personnel is Miss Gargantuan. And I am a new to tea com scholar who is poised to be catapulted in the Gargantuan realm of proficiency and erudition because I am supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Ituma.
I just introduced myself.
Yeah!
I'm a new student. My name is Miss Gargantuan.
So why didn't you just say that?
Do not be bewildered, bedazzled or flabbergasted with my anglophonic enunciation. I am not here to subjugate or hegemonize, but to allay every form of hippopotamonstrous equidaliophobia embedded in your medulla oblongata.
Look, sit down. As I said, don't set my class on fire. You see? These are the type of students that we pray to have in a class. All that she has just said, I totally understand. Okay, moving on quickly. Today we're talking about semantics. Semantics. There is no how you want to talk about semantics that you will not talk about logic. Semantics simply means a branch of linguistics and logic that deals with meaning. Simple. Yes?
In yesteryears, I have seen a lot of vacuous bunkum asseveration regarding the topic. But meeting a professor of repute, I would like to inquire, is there any palpable dubiety or categorization that galvanizes the subject matter, or it is merely a myopic phantasmagoria from some fellows with moronic parade of bacchanalia saturnalia who lack the knowledge or technical know-how because they cannot attain a state of honorific ability to dignitatis?
Are you fucking want to say me?
That's the answer. Give her a round of applause. Give her a round of applause.
Yes.
Yeah, but that is semantics. That's what I've been talking to you about.
Excuse me?
Yes.
I did not answer any question. I asked a question directed to you, Professor.
Pardon? The same thing I was talking about.
Sir?
Guess what?
What, sir?
Professor Walezo Inka himself asked me this question in school. I was the only student that got it. And that is what led